Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Tingnan mo guys, oh. Tingnan mo yung orchids ko, ang cute oh. Ay, maliit lang siya but there's a flowers. This is from Ate Daisy. Yeah, I get this because one of her the tree with lots of orchids is falling down, and I said Ate, you don't know how to taking care of your orchids. I will bring it home. And then she allowed me to bring this home. This one and that one, the other side there. There's a flowers, but not biggest. This kind of orchids is easy to falling down. I wish to have an orchids in abroad. In Denmark. Orchids in Denmark is nice. I bring some. Honestly, is I have 3 pieces of I know, not 3. It's 5 pieces. And I thought that I can taking care. Oh my God. Alam mo kung ano nangyari is, nadurog yung pinakailalim niya. There's not lots of water, but the problems is, it cannot grow here in Philippines, maybe because of the weather. Weather in Denmark is the biggest difference to here in Philippines. And the orchids cannot manage of hot weather plus you give water. And yeah, it's gone. I feel sad, honestly, I feel sad. I thought that I can make it more here in Philippines, that like others that they have orchids from abroad. Maybe I don't know how can be taking care, but I have a local kinds of orchids now. This is a Filipino orchids. This one, it's like there's a long kind of what they call that, branches. It's like a branches of tree that they have a long. But there's a one that I want to collect. This one is I think I thought that I bought this 2023 in Pandan. And this kind of orchids is, they have a nice, there's a beautiful kind of flowers, but it's not come yet. But I know it's grow. Look guys, this one. Ano yun? Yung banban ba na ano yun? Ewan ko kung anong pangalan. This one. This kind of orchids. And it's grow. You know what guys? I'm happy to say that one of my orchids is come, and I collect more. I hope that I can buy extra later. But I try to go to Pandan, maybe a market day I can catch one of the orchids, because normally there's orchid sale if it's a market day. So I will go to Pandan Monday or Friday, yun, to have that. Ayun lang guys, inano ko lang kayo sa aking orchids. Tingnan mo, there's a flowers, and honest is our garden, there's a lot of fruits. Yan guys, rambutan tsaka lansones, but suddenly lansones is not come. Honest is I'm waiting that lansones is come, because I want to experience how to harvest lansones. But it didn't come yet. Yeah, maybe next year. Yes. By the way guys, thank you nga pala for watching. I know that I still have video that I need to upload, and I'm just a little bit busy right now. By the way, thank you, and God bless you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels, and I hope that you can follow my life, what I'm doing daily life. Okay, God bless. Bye.